In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Slack incoming webhook. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, you'll have a working webhook URL that you can use to send messages into a Slack channel from other tools or scripts. First, open your browser and go to the Slack API dashboard for your workspace. You'll want to be on the page where your Slack apps are listed. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Slack workspace because webhook URLs are specific to a particular workspace and app. If you already have an app created for your workspace, select that app from the list so we can configure it. Once you're inside the app's settings page, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Here, find and click on the option labeled Incoming Webhooks. Incoming webhooks are a simple way for external services to send data into Slack by posting to a unique URL. So this is exactly what we need. On the Incoming Webhooks settings page, you may see that incoming webhooks are currently turned off for this app. There will be a toggle switch or button that is set to off. Go ahead and click on that to turn it on. This enables webhook functionality for the app. When you do this, Slack will update the page and show additional options for creating and managing webhook URLs. With incoming webhooks now enabled, you'll see a section that allows you to add a new webhook to your workspace. Look for a button that says something like Add New Webhook. Click on this button. Slack will typically ask you to choose a channel where this webhook will post messages. Pick the channel that makes the most sense for your use case, such as a testing channel or a dedicated notifications channel. After you confirm the channel, Slack will generate a unique webhook URL for you. This URL is what you'll use in your external tool or code to send messages into Slack. Treat it like a secret key. Don't share it publicly or check it into version control. You can always come back to this incoming webhooks page to view, regenerate, or remove the webhook if needed. And that's it. You've successfully created a Slack incoming webhook, and you're ready to start sending automated messages into your Slack workspace.